Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve emulated on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about CapCut app. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.